Hello, children. Hope you are all well and safe at home. I'm happy to know that you can do everything that you like to do. You like to play, you like to dance, you like to sing, you like to listen to stories, you like to go to school, but you cannot go to school now because of corona pandemic. When there was no corona, no worries. You went to school. Do you know, children? All these froggies also went to school. How is it possible? Yes. Today I am here with a very beautiful poem for you where you will get to know how these froggies went to school, what did they do there, etc. আজি মই তোমালোকৰ বাবে এনেকুৱা এটা কবিতা লৈ আহিছো য'ত তোমালোকে গম পাবা কিদৰে এই ভেকুলীকেইটা স্কুললৈ গৈছিল কি কৰিছিল ইত্যাদি। So let's read the poem first. The name of the poem is Frogs at School. Frogs at School. The poet of this poem is George Cofer. George Cofer. Let's read. 20 froggies went to school down beside a grassy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vestals white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we must study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule. When we froggies go to school, how was it? What did you find here? 20 froggies went to school that was beside a grassy pool. They had green coats, white clean vests. They were very punctual. They tried to maintain time. They went to school to study. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোকেও সময়ৰ কাম সময়ত কৰিবা দেই। সুন্দৰভাৱে পঢ়া শুনা কৰি তোমালোকৰ প্ৰধান যিটো দায়িত্ব সেইটো পালন কৰিবা দেই। Now you think first, how many froggies did go to school? You have three options. তোমালোকে তিনিটা উত্তৰ দেখিছানে? শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো বাছিব লাগে। Choose the correct answer. How many froggies did go to school? 20, 30, 40. Which is the correct answer? Yes, 20 froggies go to school. The correct answer is 20. Secondly, you think the school was beside a grassy sea, river, pool. The school was beside a grassy. Yes, the correct answer is pool. School was beside a grassy pool. The coats were red, yellow, green. Which is the correct answer? Yes, the coats were green. The froggies went to school to sing, to dance, to study. Can you think which may be the correct answer? Yes, the froggies went to school to study. Well done, children. Now have a look here. There you can see some paired words. Now let's read the words first. School, pool. School, pool. Clean, green. Clean, green. Play, day. Play, day. What did you notice here, children? তোমালোকে কি মন কৰিছে বাৰু? জোৰ জোৰকৈ থকা শব্দবিলাকৰ উচ্চাৰণ মন কৰিছেনে? Such words are called rhyming words. এনেকুৱা শব্দবিলাক হৈছে rhyming word. You can find so many rhyming words like hot, pot, drink, pink, cold, gold, etc. Try to find out such rhyming words from your book. তোমালোকে কিতাপত এনেকুৱা rhyming word আৰু বহুত পাবা তোমালোকে বাছি উলিয়াবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিবা দেই So with this we have to wind up. Hope we will meet again. Till then, bye bye.